A little video maintenance thing for you to remember. Just jog your memory. Very simple. About at least once a year, I clean out my air conditioner, the vents and the little filters. They're not real filtery, but they do get clogged up. And so that is it's very easy to do. There's your filters are on the inside, and you have a grate that goes over them, and it's quite easy. If you see where the tabs are, there's a tab there, and there's a tab over there. They come down quite easily just using your fingers, and just pry slowly back this way, and they'll come off. Just don't get rough with them. You can see how they snap in with little tabs, and when you're pulling out with your fingers, they come out quite easily. But what you'll want to do, and ours were good because I clean these at least once a year, and we don't use the AC a lot, but they do get gunked up. And so just a little soap and water, or just hot water, is all I used to turn it over and blow that dust and stuff down. You've seen it before. And then just put them back in. But that will make a difference on the performance. Not a urgent or rapid or huge performance difference, but it is important to keep those clean. And also bacteria and whatever do get caught in those, and you want to just clean it off. So just a quick reminder to you to clean your air conditioner vents at least once a year. And if you use your AC unit a lot, then go ahead and clean more frequently, maybe every 3 months. Just pull one down and look at it. It only takes a minute. Thanks, guys.